show you how to start transitioning over to Gmail for your Google Docs and your Outlook. First thing, when you log into your email account, you're going to see on the top right hand side a little box with a bunch of little squares in it. When you go in there, it's going to show you this is your email, clearly. Alright, and this is your Google Docs. You have a calendar, you have a Google Drive, you have your iDrive, which is the cloud. But down here is your Microsoft Office equivalent. So if we were to take a look in here and we go on Sheets, which is the equivalent to Excel, you can pull up, you can share documents. So when you create something, you can actually share it with a group, so you guys don't have to email to each other anymore, which will save email space. You can also create documents where multiple people can be working on it at the same time, so you don't have to save it, email it, save it, email it. This way you're all working on it at the same time, like the cancellation department. Say you pull up an email and you want to email to somebody. Well, you have to download it, and you download it as Excel to your computer, and then you attach it to the email and send it. Okay? Or you can just hit share, and you can type in the email address here, and it shares it right here. Okay? So that's the easy way to do it. Okay, let me get out of here. The other feature, so just go over it again, just go up here, and here shows all your docs: PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Word. Okay, if you want to group, you have a group in here so you can share documents with a group. Okay. Outside of that, the other feature that we have with Microsoft Office is Outlook, which everybody seems to be stuck on Outlook. We're actually going to start using Gmail for our Outlook, and it's very simple. First thing you're going to do is go to your settings, like I just did, and you're going to go to General, and you're going to scroll down to Conversation View. Where is it? Where is it? Conversation View. You're going to check Off. Okay, by checking off, this is going to stop grouping your emails together, which is kind of annoying. This way you get separate emails like you're used to getting. Alright, so click off and hit save. Then you're going to go to accounts. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down to check mail from other accounts. And we're going to add email accounts in here. So it says add email account. All you do is you type in the email account. Okay, so I'll do auto leads at Best Rate Insurance. You do it again, auto leads at Best Rate Insurance, one more time. Alright, and then you type in the password. And then this is going to be changed to pop.gmail.com. Change this to 995 and always use SSL. Okay, you're then going to hit add account. And it's going to ask you if you want this to be able to send emails from the account. You're going to say yes. Okay? And what's the name that you want to send it from? Alright? And then you go next step. Sends a verification to your email. Okay? And you have to type in the code, which I'm not going to do. So let me delete it out of here. And then what you're going to see is on the left hand side, just like Outlook, see how I have these, I have some GoDaddy accounts in here from prior email accounts. If I go over here, it shows my GoDaddy. If I click on here, it shows me my emails, just like Outlook. So now you have your regular email right here, and you have your alias, your other emails that you want to check as well, all lined up right here. Okay? So with that, we are fully functional, the same as Office, and probably more functional, because now when we have to move computers or someone needs to work at another office, you don't have to worry about your documents and your emails and your Outlook, because that's married to your computer. Now everything is on the web, so you just log into your Gmail, you can access everything wherever you are. Okay, so let's start getting ready to transition. We'll probably be moving off of the PC environment to a server environment by the end of next week. So you want to start talking to your managers. Your managers will have all the passwords for the email accounts you need to have to get set up. And I just think this is going to be so much better, because now, for instance, when Susan does commissions, she doesn't have to send you an email. She can just upload, update your Google Doc, and you'll have a record in your Google Docs of all your production statements as well. So if you go in here, we'll work with Susan to make sure each of you have your own spreadsheet that shows all your production and your commissions every month. So this way you don't have to wonder what you got paid on or what's going on. Okay, so we'll be much more effective. So start getting used to it. This is what we're going to. And Office will be gone probably within the next 14 days. Okay, have a great day.